Hello everyone, I greet you today. This is Line of Consult, and today I'm going to take you through something very simple. The reason why you should use our form system to do whatever you want to do, survey, registration, and payment and everything. Our form system is a very high dynamic form system with a lot of things integrated inside. Today I received a message from my brother saying, okay, my brother, I want you to do something for me. I have questionnaires for my project. I want you to develop the form for me. I was like, don't worry. Do you have the soft copy, or let's say the questions in Word document? Okay, yes, I have it. Then I just took the question. I said, I'm going to use my form system to build this survey for you, the first and ever survey that people are going to love so much. So I took these questions from my brother. So this is the questions. We have like 27 questions, 28 questions. Okay. So basically, if you want to do this, you need to sit down and write each of them in Google Form. In today's world, you don't need to be writing these in Google Form yourself. Okay. All I need to do is I just collected this soft copy, gave it to AI to generate a PHP version of this for me. Program this for me in a code format. Then I only imported the code version of this into the AdVerse form system, and it seeded and generated the form for me. Simple. You don't need to be typing. So within a few minutes, you get your form curated. Very simple. AdVerse form has all that it takes to generate a survey. Let's get into that AdVerse form. So when you come to our central dashboard, you come to forms and you get access to our AdVerse. So these are some of the forms that I've actually created. These are some of the forms I've actually created. So this is what we had. Okay. Now, all I needed to do is to, seed the PHP version of the form, and it created this one for me. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to get the programmable version of your Word document survey. Then you can use AdVerse form to get it done simple within few minutes without typing anything on Google Form. Even in AdVerse form, you don't need to be typing again. Just use AI to generate the PHP version or the coded version and import it here in the AdVerse form system, and you are good to go. Now let's get into play. So I click on this one. So this is what got generated for me. And let me show you our form types or form field types. Okay, we have a lot of form field types here. We have short text, long text, email, number, date, phone, country, drop down. So I don't see country in Google Form. Google Form does not give you an option for you to get all the countries in the world as a selectable field. No, we have a drop down, multiple choice, checkbox, rating, matrix, links, linked scale, ranking, slider, address, signature, date, range, calculated, repeater, file upload, image display, YouTube, description, legal box, checkbox, hidden, and a whole lot of stuff that we provide for you just to make sure your form system is really highly advanced. Then one thing that we've added is called the payment session. So if you want to add payment, just add payment session and your form can now receive money. So after uploading everything here, this is what I get. Now this is the form. I tell you on Google on AdVerse form, this is the form. Everything is well structured. Now when you come to the form itself, this will be the response look. Okay, so when I refresh this one, you're gonna see this. Okay, now let me refresh it. So this is it. Very simple. Very simple. You like it? So this is the form system. Click on start and you can now fill the form gradually. Okay, you can now fill the form gradually. So this one, when a person chooses, it moves automatically. The person don't have to move next. It moves automatically. So as you have chosen, it is moving by itself. Okay, it is moving by itself. So the person will be able to answer very quick and very fast without delaying, because when your questions are plenty and you want to give more work to your people who are answering your questions, you may not get a lot of people to answer. So when they choose, the form moves by itself just to make sure the person speeds up and enjoys submitting the form. This is when you pick conversational type. I'm going to show you some of the types that we have. Okay, so this is just one type of our form format. This is just one type. So the check boxes, you fill them. Okay, I just want to, so these ones, I just click on that ones and I move forward. I'm going to show you one thing that I've not seen Google Form having. Good. This one is a new feature that we've added that Google Form doesn't have. It's a new way of ranking the form. So maybe you want the fifth one to be first. You just move it up, move it up, move it up, move it up. It becomes first. If you want the fourth one to be second, move it up, it becomes second. Then you move, then you fill all the other things. So I move on this, I under it, then I move on this one. Then I click on next. Then we have a security verification to make sure a bot is not actually submitting this form. And if it is verified, you just click on submit responses and the response is submitted. Very simple. And the receiver is going to receive an alert on the phone. Now this is one type. Let me show another appearance. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 type of form style. This is the modern type. When I save it, let me show you the modern type. Let me bring this one here. This is the modern type. Okay, there's the modern type, which looks like Google Form. You love it? Then this is the admission type. No, okay, this is admission type. Let me show you because I've not actually, this is the admission type. Okay, so if you like, creates, this two, like, yeah. Then this is the classic style. So if you are creating the form, you can choose any style that you want. This is a classic. It's similar to the modern style, like Google Form style. Then this is the minimalist. So the minimalist will give you a minimal, not an overall, form structure. So this is just a minimalist. Very simple. Then we have the dark mode. So those who love dark mode, you can, create a form in a dark mode. So it will be in a dark mode like this. Very simple. Then we have the pneumophomic. You love the pneumophomic. This is how the pneumophomic looks like. This is how the pneumophomic looks like, So this is the pneumophomic type of form style. Then we also have the step-by-step. So the step-by-step also gives you a session after the other. So, a session after the other. Very nice step-by-step format. Then the one I showed you is the conversational. Now let's go to the AI chat session. So this one will show like a chat session where you're going to chat with it. Okay. So it shows like that, get started, then it asks you a question. Okay, I confirm, then it moves, then you select, then it moves, then you select. So like it will be in a question form, then the person will just be filling, will be filling. Okay, so that is for the AI chat session. So you have different series of types of format that you can actually set your form to display so that your respondent would actually do that. Okay, so I pick this one, I pick that one, I pick that one, choose this one, I choose this, I choose that, I choose this, oh, it's not picking. Good. Then I pick this one, I select that one, I pick this one, I pick that one, I pick this one, then this one too comes again for me to select. Okay, let me pick that one. Okay, then move again, then this comes, that comes, this comes, then this one too comes. Okay, I select that one, this one, any of them I want to pick, then this one too comes again for me to select, guys. So it is very simple. You have a lot of style that you can actually use, and this is the other one. Then you move forward, then you can type your answers, everything, then you can now see this. So this is like a chat form. Okay, then if everything is verified, you click on submit, then your form is submitted. So this is how the AdVerse form actually looks like. So all your survey, you can do it. We have a lot of stuff. You can add images, logos, and everything, change colors, background. Then you can also add integration that you want to add. All these things are there. So based on your type, you can now create a form. Very simple. This is AdVerse form. If you want a form to create an interactive survey, a very simple survey that you don't have to waste your time typing all the questions in Google Form, just get in touch with us and I'm going to help you. See you again in the next video.